Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing another best of the best foundation series with my good friend Penny from PENN SMITH SKINCARE. As many of you know, we are doing a monthly series basically on our search for the best foundations or the best of anything. Penn and I are both total skincare beauty junkies, and I absolutely love this woman. If you're not familiar with her, which I'm sure you are, you can go check out her channel at PENN SMITH SKINCARE, but she is basically my little guru that I go to, and we just love to chat makeup, skincare, wellness, pretty much everything. And she's just lovely and so informative. You guys, she is an advanced esthetician. She's got a huge repertoire of awesome videos. And I just honestly, every time I learn something new from her, she's always on the hunt for super fun new discoveries. And I just love her. So we have been gathering our list of foundations, and today we want to share one with you, and it is the ZELENS Youth Glow. So you guys, this is, I'm going to spoil it right off the bat because I love this foundation. We both tend to like a little bit of a glowy foundation, and this one is going to give you just that. The name describes it. It is ZELENS Youth Glow Foundations. So first I want to tell you a little bit about this, and then we're going to go ahead and put it on my skin. So this is from Dr. Marco Lenz, who is a plastic and reconstructive surgeon and expert in skin cancer. And he has his own entire line, which I have used some of the products. Absolutely lovely. This is a little bit more on the pricey side, and his whole thing is he has, most of his products have the shiso plant in it. So this guy, which I love about this, is that it is skincare based, okay? And I can definitely feel that when I'm using this, because my skin takes on a nice little glow, but it just is so nourishing for my skin. So I absolutely love it. Let me tell you, it says that it is going to reduce the signs of stress and fatigue. I definitely need that this morning. It's enriched with a unique complex of powerful ingredients to add instant luminosity to your skin and smooth the skin's texture. And you guys, it really does do that. It contains a photoluminescent diamond spheres to optically blur the appearance of wrinkles and imperfections. Definitely have to say, I can't wait to try this on for you, but definitely does that. It is oil-free, and it is a light to medium coverage. So you guys, the one con is that it does not come in many colors. It is only has 5 different shades in just not a huge range. The one thing I will tell you is these are, since it's a light to medium coverage, this is more one of those that's going to kind of blur into your skin tone, and it has that pearlescent. And so I don't know if this is going to work for everybody. The darkest color is tan, which is unfortunate. But if you're looking for something that is light to medium and just going to kind of perfect your skin, that's what I'm saying. This isn't a super one where you need an exact match. I am in the color beige. That is what I decided to get. And you guys, you can find this at Barney's, and the price is $98. Let's talk about some of the key ingredients in here. One is beta glucan, and basically that is going to help with cellular respiration and promotes collagen synthesis. So will help with tissue repair, and it has healing properties. It also has hyaluronic acid, so that is probably another reason why I absolutely love it. I am 50 years old. I have dry skin, more mature skin, and believe me, the word hyaluronic acid is my best friend. Then it's got the shiso leaf, which is in most of his products. And this is rich in polyphenols, which is going to help. It's going to help with anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and anti-allergic bioactivities. Basically, this is supposed to be helping you with free radical damage and helps prevent skin reactivity and soothes sensitive skin. So another thing is I am actually prone to rosacea outbursts and have to be sort of careful about what I am putting on my skin. And the shiso leaf in his products does, I find, to be very healing and not reactive to my skin. Another thing I wanted to say, it has pearl in it with it containing 16 essential amino acids, proteins, and polysaccharides. And this is going to help keep that moisture in. So again, you guys, one thing is this is a glowy foundation. And so if you are interested in seeing me put this on my face and letting you kind of have a little wear test throughout the day, then let's go ahead and do it. My favorite way to apply this foundation is actually with my fingertips, and then I like to buff it into the skin with a beauty blender. So one thing is you need to shake this up, and my color might be a teeny bit dark for me at the moment, not too bad, but I bought this more in the summer months, so I probably could use a lighter shade, and I may buy one to mix because I literally love, love, love this ZELENS Youth Glow. Okay, so let's go ahead, you guys. I am going to squirt on, and let me go ahead and give you a little swatch of beige. So right here, and that's what I'm saying, is beige. So it does look a little bit darker and warmer than my current skin tone, but I'm gonna have you see, you will see as we come up close, you guys, this is very skin forgiving. It is kind of like a little tinted moisturizer, so it is not going to be, it doesn't need to be a perfect match. And I like to just start by using my fingertips and getting all in. So it has a light scent to it, very fresh. I need to look and see if it actually contains fragrance, because I kind of think that's the shiso, because all of his products, I have used some of his moisturizers and some of his other skincare, and they all have this really lovely kind of clean and green scent. So I'm just taking my fingertips first with that amount, and I'm just going to come underneath my eyes, guys, and we'll rub this into the skin. I definitely am looking a little tired this morning, but if you guys can tell, the sun is out, so this makes me so excited. I've been having a little bit of the winter doldrums, and the sun is shining in Portland, Oregon, and making me super happy. So you guys, I just think this is a lovely foundation. I'm gonna come up close and give you a little bit of what it looks like with just that one little pump, and give you a, kind of show you the coverage. And then on my other side, can you see how this is giving you that lovely glow? Okay, you guys, then the way I like to do it is taking a little teeny dot more, and I'm using the beauty blender, you guys, and I am just going to just kind of pounce this into the skin just to get a teeny more coverage in the areas that I need it. So I like fingertips first, and then my beauty blender. You can definitely use this with a brush. Like, the one thing I found is that this is very versatile. So I liked all aspects of putting this on, but I do think this little beauty blender just kind of pushes this into the skin, which I really enjoy. I'm gonna come up under my little tired eyes here, and then you guys, I'm gonna come up. It is just such a lovely kind of smooths out your skin. It's not gonna give your skin a whole lot of coverage. So if you are looking for super high coverage, this will not be the foundation for you. But if you're looking for a really glowy second skin foundation that actually has skincare benefits in it, you're gonna love this. Okay, one side. Let's go ahead and finish off the face, and I'm going to use a few more green products. So what I do like to do is I actually do powder this foundation down just through my T-zone, because as you can see, there is a nice little glow, but as this wears throughout the day, I do want, it can get a little bit greasy through my T-zone. But I'm gonna finish off with my cream and liquid products, and then we can powder down. So I'm gonna be using my Westman Atelier biscuit, and I'm gonna go ahead and carve out a little bit of definition in my face. Warmed up the skin with my Westman Atelier contour stick and biscuit, and then you guys, I'm absolutely in love with this Kosas 8th Muse Color and Light Cream Blush and Highlighter. You guys, I just absolutely love it, and it screams spring to me, which I'm so channeling right now. Just this beautiful, juicy kind of watermelon pink color and this honey beige champagne highlighter. So pretty, and I just love the formulation of this Kosas. So now I am gonna go ahead and powder down the T-zone. I am using the Hourglass Mineral Veil. And again, I want to keep that glow going, but since I have used this several times, this foundation gets a little bit glowy through my T-zone. So I'm just taking a little bit of this powder, and I am just going to come through the T-zone. I don't want to get rid of the glow, but I do kind of want to set that makeup. And I guess I'll do just a teeny bit more. You guys, I'm using a very little amount of this powder, and I think I'm just gonna kind of set this a little bit underneath the eyes. And voila, we are ready to go for the day. So what I'm going to do, you guys, is I'm going to give you a little check-in after I have worn this throughout the day, and just let you see how this natural glowy foundation wears. I am doing a final check-in with the ZELENS Youth Glow Foundation, and I just wanted to share with you, I have been wearing this foundation for almost 12 hours. That's kind of a full day for me. And I have to tell you, it just doesn't feel like anything. It's not heavy on the skin. I think it gives you a nice little, as it says, a little youth glow. I think for myself, I just like that it has skincare benefits in this foundation, light to medium coverage, And I just feel like it gives me that healthy skin glow and is not cakey. Now, I am gonna have you come up close and just share with you that you can see that this is a glowy foundation. And as the day is worn on, it has picked up some, you know, what you might even call tiny bit greasy. But I think the one thing that I like about this foundation is it doesn't particularly fall into or make my pores look super big. I'm gonna come up, take some pictures, and just let you kind of see what this is. I wouldn't say is super long. Like if you're looking for a long wear foundation, maybe that would be a con for you. I just feel like this is kind of a normal day-to-day if you're looking for something that's gonna give you a healthy skin glow and not look cakey. This will be what you like. So I'm gonna come take a close up here. This goes in the category of the best niche foundations. Absolutely love it. And if you are ordering from Barney's for the first time, I think they give you like a 10% off coupon, but I definitely think this is worth it. And I cannot wait to go and watch Penny's review of this Youth Glow foundation. Thumbs up from over here. And again, you guys, thank you so much for your support. And if you're new to my channel, welcome, welcome. And if you do not know about Penny, which I seriously doubt, please hop on over to her channel, give her a little love, tell her that I sent you. We are doing a monthly series, Best of the Best, and right now we've been focusing on foundations, both of our favorite things to purchase. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.